Looking for the perfect pot to take your cooking to the next level? Meet the Overmont Enameled cast iron Dutch oven, where style meets performance. Today, we're making a creamy, hearty clam chowder to show you why this pot is a must-have in your kitchen. Let's get started! First, we heat 2 tablespoons of oil in the Overmont Dutch oven. Thanks to its superior heat distribution, every ingredient cooks evenly. No hot spots, no guesswork. Just look at those perfectly sautéed veggies. Once the veggies are ready, we'll set them aside and make a roux, the secret to a creamy chowder. The enameled surface on the Overmont Dutch oven ensures nothing sticks, making this step effortless. Now we'll slowly whisk in the half and half cream for that rich, velvety texture. Then, we'll return the sautéed vegetables to the pot. With its 5.5 capacity, this Dutch oven is perfect for big family meals or meal prep for the week. Next, we'll add in clam juice and water. Then cover. Here's where the magic happens. The ripple design on the lid redistributes moisture, keeping your chowder perfectly flavorful and tender. Finally, we'll stir in the minced clams, salt, pepper, and parsley. The Overmont Dutch oven's incredible heat retention keeps the chowder at the perfect simmer, allowing all those flavors to melt beautifully. And just like that, dinner is served. The improved knob makes lifting the lid easy, even with oven mitts, and the larger handles give you a secure grip when carrying this beauty from stove to table. It's functional and stunning. Ready to transform your cooking? The Overmont Enameled cast iron Dutch oven is waiting for you. Click the link below to order yours today and start creating unforgettable meals. Thanks for watching! Bye!